Tesla's Giga Berlin electric vehicle factory plans are massive. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and now let's get back to today's story. So Tesla's fourth electric car factory under construction near Berlin, Germany could end up hiring 4 times the staff currently employed at Fremont in the US, with 8 gigapresses stamping out parts for the Model Y. The Californian EV maker has plans to produce 500,000 electric vehicles at the Grünheide site starting from the European summer of 2021. Tesla boss Elon Musk has previously stated that the Model Y electric crossover will be a priority at the plant. Musk said during a visit to Berlin last week that the Tesla Model Y's core technology will be radically redesigned for production at Giga Berlin. The Model Y is already produced at Fremont using a single rear piece casting made using a GigaPress, which is basically a massive stamping machine that improves efficiency of production as well as enables the end product to be lighter and therefore also more energy efficient. Musk said in August that as many as 70 individual pieces would be replaced by die casting, and Tesla has already ordered at least 2 machines. Now reports have emerged that there are 8 of these die casting machines called Druckguss machine in German planned for Giga Berlin. A factory plan shared by German Tesla watcher Tobias Lind shows footings for 8 die casting machines, including holding tanks, quenching tanks, and melting furnaces that will be used to make 8 Model Y castings at a time. And as many as 40,000 staff could be employed at Giga Berlin over the next 10 years, 4 times that employed currently at Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y factory in Fremont, as stated on the company's website. It's so many staff that Brandenburg's economics minister Jörg Steinbach told German newspaper Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung that skilled workers may need to be brought in to meet demand for staff at the factory, which he says should be fully approved by mid-December. Steinbach was quoted as saying, "In perspective, the Tesla factory in Grünheide could, depending on the market ramp-up, have up to 40,000 employees. We will not be able to meet the need for skilled workers from Brandenburg alone. When the approval for the entire project comes, is closely related to the development plan procedure. Both should be signed and sealed in mid-December." Elon Musk tweeted on Friday morning encouraging people to apply for jobs with Tesla in Germany. "Please work at Tesla Giga Berlin. It will be great fun," Elon said in German. Initially, Tesla was planning to hire 12,000 staff, although more recent reports state that filings in July indicate 10,500 staff are currently being hired to work 3 around-the-clock shifts. Tesla has also launched a 250 kilowatt V3 supercharger at a research campus in Berlin on Thursday, and has plans to introduce more soon to help make the purchasing decision easier for those concerned about access to fast charging. The V3 supercharger allows Tesla owners to recharge their electric vehicles at a rate of 120 kilometers a minute, as long as they have the relevant maximum charging rate achieved on their vehicles.